Sanitation in multi-use facilities is becoming increasingly important as the COVID-19 pandemic shows no signs of control. Especially, hospital operating rooms must be sterilized better than anywhere else because bacteria and viruses can cause serious health problems in patients. We visited a company that strives to make surgical space cleaner using a low-temperature plasma sterilizer. This small giant became famous at home and abroad by producing surgical instrument sterilizers for hospitals based on specialized technologies. Our company is a small giant founded 10 years ago. We develop, manufacture, sell, and export medical low-temperature plasma sterilizers used in hospital operating rooms and central supply rooms to prevent cross-infection of medical supplies. We are ranked #1 among sterilizer manufacturers in Korea with powerful technologies and excellent quality. We export products to about 40 countries, and the ratio of export is around 70%. LowTem exports sterilizers to about 30 foreign countries, and 70% of its sales volume is based on exportation. Technologies of LowTem are acknowledged both at home and abroad. Sterilants used in our low-temperature plasma sterilizers are harmless to users and the environment because hydrogen peroxide is decomposed into water and oxygen after sterilization. We guarantee the safety of users and contribute to the environmental preservation by preventing residual gases and wastewater compared to the conventional method based on toxic gases. Unlike the ordinary sterilizers that are used at high temperature and high pressure, LowTem sterilizers have various advantages of lowering the risk of sensitive surgical instruments by sterilizing them at 60 degrees or below. Our company invented the world's first rapid temperature rise circulation system, which optimizes sterilizing conditions of products loaded in a sterilization room or chamber. This system makes up for the weaknesses of the low-temperature plasma sterilizer, which is vulnerable to moisture and temperature. With the rapid temperature rise circulation system, our sterilizers can maintain the temperature inside the sterilization chamber by adding drying and hot air circulation functions. The system removes cold points inside the chamber and increases the temperature inside, helping sterilants infiltrate better. Sterilization refers to the condition in which all microbes, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, tubercular bacilli, and sporulating microbes with strong resistance are removed or inactivated. We use a spore bacterium for testing called Geobacillus, which is a standard strain of living microbes that has the strongest resistance to sterilization. Hydrogen peroxide plasma sterilization takes place through oxidization. Sterilizing factors with excellent oxidizing power act on microbes that remain on medical instruments, effectively destroying cell walls, cell membranes, DNA, and nucleic acids of microbes. Also, LowTem sterilizers can make surgical space safer without emitting toxic substances using hydrogen peroxide instead of artificial ethylene oxide. Our hospital uses many instruments made of special materials. It is best to keep them sterilized for safe surgeries. There are various types of sterilizers, but we use a low-temperature plasma sterilizer that can sterilize most of our instruments in a short time of less than 1 hour. Unlike other products, this plasma sterilizer is free of high-pressure steam or toxicity. This low-temperature sterilizer allows us to use expensive surgical instruments for a relatively long time by causing less damage. Thanks to about 10 patents and specialized technologies, LowTem already has the highest market share despite the small size of about 30 employees. Instead of settling for the previous achievements, LowTem is seeking further growth. The United States accounts for 50% of the global medical device market. FDA approvals are so strict that there are only 2 FDA approval companies in the world. Our company is currently working on FDA certification to enter the U.S. market. If we can obtain FDA approval, we will be the first Korean company to be acknowledged for sterilizer technology and safety. Our ultimate goal is to become a company that symbolizes sterilization by taking challenges and growing consistently. This company makes operating rooms cleaner and safer with the low-temperature plasma sterilizer that uses hydrogen peroxide. We look forward to seeing this company spread its technologies all over the world.